Hi, are you afraid your data will be lost or operating system will crash if you allow your children to use your personal computer or laptop? Then please do watch this video. I am Venkat, here to help for creating a virtual computer so that it will allow your children to use this virtual computer to learn by doing mistake. And don't worry that your data will be even deleted by mistake. Let me show you few steps to be followed to create a virtual computer. We need an application called VMware Workstation. Open your browser and search for VMware Workstation. Now select on VMware Workstation link as shown on the screen. Here click on download. Now select the download now option that is shown for Windows. In this website there are two workstations, one is for Linux and another is for Windows. Click on download now for Windows. Once clicked, it will ask for path to download. Select the path to download and click on save. The file is now downloaded and open the folder and open .exe file. The installation setup, click on next and accept the license agreement. Click on next. And select the enhanced keyboard driver. Click on next and make sure all the checkboxes are enabled and proceed further. Finally, click on upgrade to proceed with the installation. Now the installation part is initiated and process is going on. It will take few time to complete the installation part. Once the installation is completed, it will ask the system to reboot. Click on finish and click on yes to reboot the system. Once the system is rebooted, you could open the VMware Workstation from Start menu. Here you could see create new virtual machine. You have to select that option to proceed with new virtual machine creation. Here I have already created a VMware virtual machine as a Kali Linux VM. In our next video, let us see how to create a new VMware virtual computer and how to install a Windows operating system in that computer. Please do like, share, subscribe and do comments if you have any doubts. See you on next video. This is Venkat signing off. Thank you. Bye.